Oh, hello everybody. Yeah, we talked about notes and the official apps on the repositories. So this is a supplementary and we're talking about some more note-taking apps. Just to give you the whole range of what's available. You'll find these on my site. They're either Java or Qt or GTK, and so obviously I've already installed them. We're not going to go through all that. Okay, let me move myself out of the way here. This is not normal. I've just made these for convenience. Okay, so the first one, J Sticky Notes. Looks a lot like our own Sticky Notes program, but this is in fact written in Java. Okay, so there's your note. And let's change our mind. Oops. Doesn't have built-in spell checking. So let's see. We close this now and we run it again. And yep, it remembers everything. So we now delete this note. Okay, close this one down. Run the program again, and it's quite a quick startup for a Java program. Yeah, not bad. Right, next one, M storage. Okay, let's see. Comes with an example database. So, sorry about the sound effects, it's flu season over here. A bit slow, but yeah, there we go. Could have used a bit of space here on the left margin. So this is more a database-ish thing than notes in the strict sense of the word. Let's see. Yeah. You have to double click to get in here. And see, everything you've opened stays open as a tab. I don't know how many tabs it can handle, but there we go. Close this tab. We can say close all other tabs. Okay, so from there you can make your own little database. and it's got quite good help as well. So I think this one will probably be more useful as if you're studying and you want to make notes and add graphics to it, or you're saving up material for a term paper, that sort of thing. Okay, let's look at Quickie. Simple note-taking. Quickie only works with named files. A file can be on, or let's put it in. Alright, we open. Okay, let's say new, and we put it on the desktop. Yeah, in real life, of course, you would be more likely to. Okay, let's click here to edit. This is a note. Right, save that. And close. So if we now run it again, open. Okay, in real life you wouldn't put this on the desktop, you would put it. Let's make another one. Sorry, keep interrupting myself. You would make a directory for your notes. Right, Wiki 2. Right, and to edit it, you have to actually right. So you can only work with one note at a time here. This is a note. I forgot to save that one. Okay. And this is an old Qt 4 program. All right, let's look at Z notes, or Z notes for the Americans. New note name, test, simple text note. Right, oh yeah. And okay, once again, we'll have to see how many tabs it can actually handle. Let's see, about, simple Qt based. And let's see what else they've got. And there's your help. Got some key bindings. Now, if I remember correctly, those key bindings didn't actually work. Oops, what is going on? Do I have? Nope, I don't have Alt-Z either. It works with Control. Okay. Let's see if that works. Nope, it does not. There's still something there. Is there an undo in here? Okay, so the whole HTML part of this is not actually working. And the to-do list, okay. New task, created, limited. I don't know what limited stands for. Let's say it has to be done by then. Okay, so the plain text and the to-dos work in here. And that's about what you can say for it. I think just forget about the HTML part. We've got better markdown things for that. Alright, and what's this one? Yeah, ZNotes automatically puts a little item in the desk bar there. Okay, there's some preferences. You can say where you want the tabs. There's some scripting you can do. Oh, you can put stuff on the toolbar. Okay, and the last one, Noble Note. Oh, that's such a modest name. Boot home. I don't want it there. I want it somewhere where I can see what I'm doing. Okay, and alright, let's make a new note. New notebook. Okay, testing. And in that notebook we put a note. So this is quite and rename note, delete note. Okay, how do I edit the contents? There we go, and we get a little rich text editor. Oh, this is interesting. Does it have hotkeys? Nope, it does not. But it can right, change that, and you can see, oh, you can change the font. Yeah, it seems to pick up every font I've got on this system, which is very close to stock, mind you. And you can change the color. How does that look? Okay, this is foreground, then this must be background. Yeah, pretty cool. Okay, let's close this down, and when we run it again, yep, it has remembered everything. Alt A doesn't do anything. Let's try Control A. No, there's no select all here. Oh, wait. Ah, there we go. I keep forgetting that there's a problem with the keyboard here. Okay, what's this? Okay, let's make this whole sentence italic. There we go. What's this? Clear formatting. Okay, can we export this to anything? Doesn't look like it. But let's see. Looks like an HTML. What does it look like in Web Positive? Yep, it actually saves its notes in HTML. That's good to know. Alright, and this is a Qt5 program. So, there's no real reason this can't be an official Haiku program in the repositories. Yeah, and I rather like it. Output is HTML, which you can convert into other stuff. You can just pull it into a word processor. So it doesn't have graphics like mStorage does, but apart from that, I think this is my favorite of these 5. Okay, thank you very much for watching my notes supplemental edition. And there are also command line note programs, but I think we're going to skip those. If you really want to see it, put a comment, people. I want comments. So, thanks very much for watching.